Welcome back. In this video, I want to show you Restream settings you need to work on if you're gonna be doing your live streams, and so that you can get more views, more watch time, more subscribers by going live on YouTube. So we're gonna be using Restream platform or website. It's super cool. It's game changing kind of platform. You can blow on YouTube and get more views, more subscribers by just doing one live streaming, or you stream your pre-recorded video, or you go live, or you do your streaming with the video you have already recorded. And this, it has got an amazing feature, and I will show you that. But just in this tutorial, I want to show you the settings you need to work on after signing up, because when you sign up with the platform or website, I haven't seen many tutorials about those settings, things you need to confirm. So many people don't know how to work on with those settings so that you can do your live streaming without any problem. And it's very simple, especially small channels or beginners. If you're new to live streaming, it is very simple to do that. Without further ado, let me go to my phone and show you how we're gonna do that with different settings. I'm gonna navigate and you're gonna enjoy this tutorial.
Let me show you some of these settings you need to work on in the Restream. So when you after signing up, you of course, or if you send out, then you're gonna log in after signing up, and you're gonna see the interface on this platform like this. So I'm gonna tap here, then I'm gonna go to email of my channel. It's the one I'm gonna be using when I'm going live on my channel. Then I'm gonna tap on it like so. You're gonna see billing settings, so I'm gonna tap on settings like so. I'll click on it. Here we are in settings. You can see two-factor authentication. It has to do with additional actually a two-factor authentication adds additional account security if password is stolen or compromised. So this has to do with protecting your account for unauthorized access unless you want to. So if you haven't done that, you need to work on that in these settings, and it's very simple. You're gonna tap here on enable two-factor authentication, but before you enable it, you can see here, let me show you. Actually, you can see, please check your inbox to confirm your email address. Okay, didn't get an email, click on resend. So if you didn't receive that email from Restream, because they want to make sure this email you provided, you can access it, and it's very simple. Just log into this email down here. You can see it is also with this kind of exclamation with a triangle kind of graphic, okay, with the exclamation in a yellow color, you can see with black. So that means there is like a question mark. There's something you need to work on, or the action you need to do. So you can see, you can change. I'm not going into details because I don't want to make this video too long. Yeah, so when you're here, you're gonna tap on open inbox. You're gonna open like your email. We need to go to your email that you have used, and if you don't know which email like used or not sure, you can see it is down here. Okay, so but I already know it's the email from my channel. Okay, let me go ahead and tap on it. It's okay. So you can see it here, it is here confirm, and even if you go here inbox, it's the same. Okay, yeah, it's also the same, but let me just zoom in like this. Then I'm gonna tap, you can see it here. I've just requested it now few minutes ago, because the one they sent me before, it as if it expired because I've been busy. I didn't confirm it, so now it's the time to confirm it. While even I'm recording this tutorial, you're gonna tap on this, or if you want, you can tap on inbox, then you receive, then you click or tap on it. So I'm gonna tap on it. You can see Restream confirm your account. So you can see it confirm your account. Okay, when you scroll down here, you can see confirm your email. This ensures we can help you with things like recovering your password if you ever need to. Okay, so you can see it here. So I'm gonna go ahead and tap confirm your email. Tap on it like so, then wait. All right, so we are back at home on this platform or website where we can do our live streaming on YouTube or any other social media platform like Facebook. So you can go ahead and do that. So I'm gonna tap here on these three lines or dots. Okay, I'm using my phone by the way, because everyone I hope can get a phone these days. You got it, so no need to use the computer. But if you got a computer, you can use it. It is also okay. So I'm gonna tap here on email here with this drop down. You can see billing settings. Tap on settings. Okay, now we are back here. Okay, you can see. Okay, email now is like confirmed. Okay, which is cool. Yeah, now you can see there is no the other exclamation kind of warning or telling us. You can see email. Now you can change it if you want to, but I'm not gonna change it. I don't want to change it. Then we're gonna need to enable this two-factor authentication. I'm gonna tap on it like so. You can see they are telling enable two-factor authentication. Scan your brand below code authentication on your phone. For example, with Google Authenticator, show secret code, two-factor code, then password, submit. So actually it is has to do to use your phone, and it's the one when I'm recording this too. So I'm not gonna do it because I'm using this phone to do that, but for you can go ahead and do that. So I'm gonna do it actually when I'm recording the video like here, or I can do it on a computer. Then I use my phone to scan. Yeah, you can see scan the barcode below to with the two-factor authentication app, okay, on your phone. It has to do with security, so go ahead and do that, because now right now I can do it because I'm using the phone that I would have used to do so. And that's why I'm making this tutorial, guys, but you can read and do it by yourself. It's super simple. If you get stuck or you can do it, you can't do it, then let me know in a comment. Then I'm gonna get another device like a computer or another phone, and then we make a tutorial on that. But it's very simple. That it has to do with securing your account. So I'm gonna close this on X by tapping on that X. So you can do that by yourself to be safe or to keep your account more secure. So when you go here on password, if you want to make some changes here, so I'm gonna tap like here on the like that, so that you can see what I'm talking about. You can see if you want to change the password, you can see old password. It's the one used on the your email when you are signing up. New password, if you want to change it, then you're gonna enter the same password to confirm, then you update. There you go, you have changed the password in case you think somebody has actually entered in it. Billing, it has to do with payment. If you wanna get or if you wanna upgrade, so I'm using the basic plan, okay, but you can see you can add payment method. You add it there if you want to. Yep. So you can see AI shots generate up to 100 clips per month. You can buy AI shots stuff. If you want to grow your YouTube channel, this platform I really recommend it. So I'm using just the basic or the free version or free plan. You know, if I can call it, I don't know if I can call it a version, but it's a free plan, okay, like the basic plan you can see here. Then under payments, yeah, you can check, add information, the history. You can see plan amount, quality, payment date, and expiry date. Yeah, if you need to, you can go ahead and do it. Hopefully you're gonna like this platform. Then stream setup, yeah, you can see it is loading. Yeah, select your stream setup. You can see OBS. Yeah, you can stream via RTMP, OBS, vMix, Zoom with Restream. Yeah, you're gonna see the stream key. You can copy it or you reset it in case somebody maybe is accessing it or has seen it. But everything is super cool. You can speed test how the nearest server. It's really cool. You're gonna have this. Then you go here under email settings. You can see the email. We've already confirmed it. Yeah, you can see it here. If you get some problems there with confirming the email, just tap on the other resend, then they're gonna resend a confirmation stuff, especially if you signed up and you didn't immediately enable that or confirm your email, then you're gonna request like a new confirmation from Restream, which is cool. So you can see the email is computer and computer technology expert Gmail, like that. You can change it if you want to. So you can see down here, let us know what the type of emails you want to receive below. Product alert. Let's know the type of emails, okay? Then helpful tips, product news, special offer, stream report, monthly summary. Okay, you can subscribe from all emails. Okay, so if you want to, you can tap on save preference, but why not? I'm gonna save that before I leave here, but let me go to social alerts. You can see message text. Yeah, you can enter here, then you click on update or tap on update. So branding, let's check. Yeah, you can see personalize your live streams by removing the Restream branding starting from the standard plan. Okay, you can yeah, you can see down here, add a Restream link to social alerts. Okay, add Restream's link to the platform description. Yeah, so I'm gonna go back here under email settings. Okay, then when you see all this, you're gonna tap on save preferences. There you go. Wow, they are now saved. Okay, anytime you need, you can unsubscribe. That's what they say, and unsubscribe from all emails. Okay, you will receive important system and billing related emails. All right, so yeah, now we've set up everything here, and the settings, when you go back your account and scroll down, let's see. Yeah, we are just remaining to work on this enable two-factor authentication for more security to secure this account we've created here. So this is cool. You can see the email, it's no longer having the other kind of triangle with the yellow color and exclamation. Okay, showing that there was something, the action to be done. So we have now, we are done. You can see if you want to change the email, you can go ahead and do that. Username, you can change it, language, English, time zone, Taylor. Okay, yeah, so everything now here is okay. Just enable two-factor authentication. You can do that. Maybe I will make a separate tutorial about that. If you want to, let me know in the comment section. So when you go back to home, like so, yeah, now everything is set up. We can go ahead and connect our YouTube channel. Actually, the channels, when you see here on the YouTube channels, that is gonna be probably like in my next video.
I hope you enjoyed this tutorial, and if you're into this channel, remember to subscribe. We are helping different content creators to grow their YouTube channel. You're gonna learn different tips here on YouTube, different softwares you're gonna use to go live and do your live streaming. If you wanna get monetized first, consider subscribing to this channel so that we grow together. We're gonna be sharing a lot of content here so that you can become successful on YouTube and of course on other social media platforms. If you're interested in such kind of contents, it's high time you subscribe to my channel, and I will see you in the next video. By the way, you need to check out one of the video on the screen, either here or here on the screen, and then to get more tips and tricks on how you can grow your YouTube channel, and you're good to go. So I'll see you in the next video. I'm Emmanuel. Bye bye. Take care.